Good morning dear students, this is Neetu from St. Paul's School. I welcome you in this class, and in this class today we will discuss about analytical paragraph. This question number 4 in our question paper. This will be question number 4 is of 5 marks. So that question number 4 will be analytical paragraph, and for this we should have word limits 150 to 200 words. So the important thing is, whenever we have word limits, try to more than 150 words and at least try 190 words. It will be good for you if you are writing 190 or 10 to 100 words. No need to count the particular words, but it's just an idea na how many words we are writing in a line. So like that we can find out. So what do you understand by analytical paragraph? It means we have to analyze, and this question will be given in a chart, map, report, graph, like this we will have, or a graph line also. So what do you understand by the analytical paragraph? Analytical paragraph lays out, explains the evidence. We will have the evidence like that. We'll have map, table, graph, chart or report. So the evidence that supports, for our supporting, there will be graph, map, etc. will be given in our question paper. So with this evidence that supports your thesis. So like this is the definition of the analytical paragraph. Now in this question we will have map, table, graph. Only one will be given in our question paper. That will be maybe map, table, graph, chart or report. And now how we will write the analytical paragraph? Analytical paragraph, there will be 3 parts. It means in 3 points we have to divide the analytical paragraph. So the first will be introduction. Introduction means like that map, table or graph. What do you understand? Suppose for your example that there is a graph given. The population chart of India from 1951 to 1991. So in the introduction part we will write that this is the population chart of India, and from 1951 to 1991. Now by this graph we can understand the growth rate of population of India like this, and it's enough. We have to write only 2 to 3 lines in the introduction. It means by that question what do you understand? This only we have to write in this introduction. Then the next will be body. In this we have to elaborate our analysis. It means we have to explain properly by that chart or report. What do you understand? How we will explain according to notes, in which year it's increasing, in which year decreasing. Like this we have to explain. It should be divided in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Body should be divided, at least there should be 2 paragraphs. And the last part we have to write, that is a conclusion. Conclusion means what do you understand? At the end, which conclusion you want to write. So this at the end we have to write. Now thesis, what do you understand by the thesis? Thesis is a statement that declares what you believe and what you intend to improve. It means just like we can say our opinion. What do you understand by that particular question, and how you can improve this? This only we have to write in the conclusion. And when we are writing analytical paragraph, don't add your own information or data. Whatever given in question paper, that only we have to write. Don't try to add your information. It will be benefit for you. So the first what we have to do when we have a question, we have to read the question properly and we have to understand the question. If without understanding we will write, then it will not get the good marks. So we have to understand. Later then we have to summarize the information, whatever information given in the particular question. We have to summarize, and later then we have to analyze the information, whatever given. So I hope you understand. It should be divided in 3 points: introduction, body and a conclusion. And this analytical paragraph, question number 4, till last year there was a story writing. So the paragraph replaced by the story writing. From this year CBSE has changed this question number 4. Till last year it was question number 4 was of a story writing. So analytical paragraph replaced by story writing. So this year you have to write this analytical paragraph. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.